Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make water kefir. First, gather your essential ingredients: active water kefir grains, filtered water, and a sugar source like organic cane sugar. You will also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal stirring spoon, and a breathable cover such as a coffee filter or cloth. These simple items are the foundation for your delicious, probiotic-rich beverage. Let's get started with the first fermentation step. Now let's begin the first fermentation. In your clean glass jar, combine 4 cups of filtered water with 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir thoroughly until all the sugar has dissolved. Then, gently add your active water kefir grains. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth or coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 to 48 hours. After the first fermentation, it's time to add some delicious flavor. Carefully strain the water kefir liquid into a clean bottle, separating the grains. You can now add your favorite fruit juice, fresh fruit pieces, or even herbs. A good starting point is about 1/4 cup of juice per 2 cups of kefir. Seal the bottle tightly and let it ferment for an additional 12 to 24 hours at room temperature to build carbonation and enhance flavor. Once your second fermentation is complete, your water kefir is ready to enjoy. Place the sealed bottles in the refrigerator to chill and slow down the fermentation process. Your delicious, fizzy kefir will stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days in the fridge. Remember to rinse your healthy kefir grains gently with filtered water before starting your next batch. If you need a break, store them in a small amount of sugar water in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.